Welcome to the GUTSTRING platform, a fresh take on social media by Acid. It's the go-to space for unfinished ideas, raw opinions, bold art, and spontaneous expression. Perfect for those gut feelings longing for more than just a fleeting moment. Access the platform in 2 easy ways: register or log in. During registration, you'll create a username that sticks, but a display name you can change, along with your email and password. Or opt for Google Sign-In. We already have an account, so let's just sign in. And just like that, you're in. The Discover page greets you with all the strings on the platform. Click to dive deeper into any string. Engage by liking. Or visit a profile, too. Here's Kathy Ray's profile. No cover, but she flaunts a badge. Subject 0001. Codename Broken Record. An early access profile badge. View all her strings and details right here. Back on the Discover page, watch comments come alive, switching based on count. Click any string, and if it's comment-free, be the first to chime in. Easy as pie. Like, comment, and see it appear instantly. Smooth. Check out the showcase, spotlighting early GUTSTRING adopters. Dive into their work and witness their craft firsthand. That's a wrap. GUTSTRING is fresh and ready for new users. Can't wait to have you with us.